We recently earned a 4-night cruise to Labadee Haiti aboard the Celebrity Silhouette for the Plexus Leaders retreat. We've already packed and boarded the cruise.
Yay, so excited!
And now we're ready to set sail and explore. Okay, we are on board. We are so excited to begin our vacation. We already went to our stateroom. We weren't sure that it was actually fully ready yet because the pillows were all piled up and there were a few things just don't seem like they're quite ready. But we're ready to eat. So we have found our way to the food first. It looks like there's only one line that's open for lunch, so we're gonna go check that out.
We have buffet open inside.
There's actually also a buffet open inside, and it's super windy today. Somebody said something about gale force winds. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I love food. We have sufficiently eaten at this time, so now we're gonna go out and explore. I love being in port because I love taking in all the views and seeing all the buildings and the scenery. I think it's awesome. I love the seating area up here. You're gonna definitely be spending some time in this section of the ship in a little while. Love it. And now for one of the grass lawns that celebrity cruises are so famous for. It is so windy today. And now we have found our way to the pool deck. Next up, we found the Sky Lounge, which is a really great, quiet place to sit with some really nice, chic sitting areas.
Totally want this furniture in my house. It's so pretty.
This section has rocking chairs, and you can look out over the front of the ship. This is so cool. Something that I think is so cool is just down one level, there is an indoor pool. Well, I guess it's like semi-indoor. I couldn't figure that out exactly. I love it. It feels so nice and warm in here, and it's so relaxing. There's a water feature on this wall, and the sound fills up the whole space.
This room is totally relaxing. I can definitely see myself spending a lot of time in here.
All right, our next area of exploration is we're going down to level 5 to check out the cafe. I'm thinking it's because Alaina wants coffee.
Yes, I want to check it out.
Which means that on the way, we're gonna get some really good shots of the atrium. We're gonna keep exploring on the same floor. There's actually a shopping area back here. And of course, your typical cruise ship art gallery. And I guess back here is the theater. It seems to be closed for right now, so I'm guessing we'll be able to do some stuff in there later.
I'm mostly excited that all the specialty coffee is included in my package, so I can drink coffee all day. Anthony can drink soda all day. We're gonna be so happy.
I think that's all that we want to explore right now for this video. We'll probably do like a full tour of the ship in another video, but right now we want to go back up to our room and kind of look through our room. We'll give you a room tour, and then I think we're gonna rest a little bit before we sail away a little later. We're gonna check out the spa because it's empty right now. Okay, the next thing is the barber shop, which is right next door. So actually, we found the other part of the spa. The Parisian Garden has these heated tables, and there's a steam room and some special showers, which on one video I heard that it can replicate a tropical rainstorm. And then it has an aromatic therapy room, so that's really cool. And I guess for $140 you can visit the room as many times as you want. And this hallway has all of the massage rooms, and there's a relaxation lounge. Okay, part of the reason that we have wandered around this is because we're vaguely lost. We don't know how to get back to our room, so we're figuring that out. Oh, and we found the fitness center. Okay, your pretty standard cruise ship fitness center. The layout of this cruise ship is very different than the other cruise ships that we've been on. We've only, as a couple, traveled on Carnival and Royal Caribbean, and actually, both of the ships were quite a bit older, so during COVID, they both got scrapped. So
This one's a lot newer.
then this one is different because so many of the rooms have balcony access, which is great for us because we always get interior staterooms, which is like sleeping in a closet because
we've never had a balcony.
there are no windows. Already, most definitely somebody has been in the room at this point and they fixed it up and it looks exactly the way that it's supposed to when we come in, but our bags have not yet arrived on our floor.
This is where I plan to spend most of my time when we're in our room. The balcony. I've never had a room on a cruise ship with a balcony. I'm so excited.
And look, there's some slippers for us to wear and some robes.
This room is actually really big for a cruise ship room. It's probably one of the biggest rooms that I've seen personally on a cruise ship.
So this is our sofa, and I think it's wide enough so that we can sleep on it. And right over here is our bed. Look at this celebrity pillow. It looks like it's been around a little while, so we'll toss that in a little bit. And then our television and a dresser. There's a safe, a room safe, and ooh, this is the refrigerator right down here. And some drawers with a celebrity canvas bag. I'm wondering if this is free for the using or free for the taking. I'm guessing just using, huh? And what I thought was cool is there is a pair of binoculars that I guess, I don't know, they're already here, so we'll use those. That's fun. And then, what else is there? That one's empty, this one's empty. That's it. Right here is a desk, there's a chair, a drawer, and some water on top, and some glasses, so that's cool. And over here is the closet, and that's where the robes are. And on this side is a closet, and that's where the slippers are. There are laundry bags, shoe shine bags, and what I can only assume are umbrellas. Next up, this is the bathroom, which is actually really nice. Tile floor, your tile backsplash, a nice big mirror, some lights, and a bowl sink, and a glass enclosed shower, which is not very large, but it's better than getting saran wrapped by a shower curtain in a very small space like this.
And last but not least, the balcony, which is going to be my favorite place. It's so beautiful and relaxing out here.
So we love to go to the sail away and be on the top deck when the ship moves off. And they delivered the itinerary to our room, so we were like, oh, well, let's relax until it's time for the sail away. And then all of a sudden I looked outside and it looked like that the boat across from us was moving. Well, it wasn't, because we're moving and it's time for us to go up to the sail away party. All right, we're on the top deck and we get to wave goodbye to Port Everglades. See you later, Fort Lauderdale. That was kind of uneventful, but we decided we would come back here and sit in the rocking chairs. Also, the windiness has really affected the choppiness of the water, and the ship is really rocking. I don't think I'll be able to stay awake in these rocking chairs. They are long and deep. We got tired of all the wind up there, and also we got tired of the rocking in the rocking chairs. Like, it's just too many motions. So we decided that we would come, grab a bite to eat, and take it back down to our room and sit on our balcony by ourselves. All right, we got some pizza. We got our balcony. We're gonna hang out here for a little while. This is definitely the choppiest water that we have ever cruised on. We've been on some cruises where there have been some moments of choppy water and maybe some intermittent choppy water throughout the cruise, but this far, and we haven't really been on here for super long. We only sailed away like maybe an hour or two ago, and the open ocean has just been up and down, up and down. As I'm laying on the bed, I'm just watching the horizon bob up and down in the distance beyond the railing on our balcony. After a little rocking and rolling across the ocean, it is now time for us to head over to the main dining room for dinner, which we have dinner reservations at 6 p.m. with some of our friends. So I'm looking forward to seeing what this is going to look like, the main dining room in general, and then also the food itself. I am going to try escargot for the first time. I thought that if I were ever going to try it, that this would be the best time and place to do that because I don't have to pay extra for it because I'm probably not going to eat all of it. So I don't know. Here goes nothing. Oh my goodness. There's something to poke down in there.
That's disgusting.
Ooh, there it is. It looks like a mushroom. I mean, it's a lot of butter. Chewy.
So gross.
I don't have enough class for this.
I got a shrimp cocktail, so I got 3 little shrimps. I just wondered.
Actually, I had a couple more to just keep testing. And actually, the first one was a little bit chewy, but the rest of them really weren't. They were just like a slightly harder mushroom. It has that kind of taste of like a mushroom would be in like butter sauce. So it's not bad.
I'm gonna stick with the shrimp.
We are done with dinner. It took forever for some reason, so we didn't even stay through dessert. We're just gonna leave. And I got the steak and she got the steak. All right, we're headed back to our room. Even though there is what floor are we on? 12. There is a show tonight, but we decided that we don't want to go to that. We're just gonna go to bed. Well, I mean, I might not go to bed, but I'm not going to the show. And the ship is still rocking, by the way. It is pretty intense. We decided that we'd take a little time to go out for a little walk and, you know, just kind of enjoy. Yeah, it's a little too early to go to bed, but the show would be way too late at night. It was kind of fun to stand here and watch the water slosh back and forth. We don't have any intention of watching the show, but we are in the theater right now because we happen to be on that floor and we wanted to come in and check it out. But that guy's kind of tempting. I'm not really sure. Okay, she wants to go to bed. That is it for day number 1. We've had enough adventure and we are going to turn in for the night.